Guys, welcome to the channel. Right, please go over here, like, subscribe, share. Right, couple of bits arrived today in the post. First aid kit contains 33 items, I believe. Let's have a look. Inside the bag, all that, all that in there. So we got this. You got a first aid guide. And you got the tiger bandage. This. All the usual plasters and such. Bandage tape, very useful. A whistle with a lanyard kind of thing. Go in your neck, I suppose. Create a noise to get people to understand. And I believe these are on cleaning wipes. It's not extensive. It's useful. And it's got loops on the back to put through a belt loop. Okay. See that? Yeah. Yes, we got in here plasters. Plasters. This is not massive, it's not wonderful, but it's better than nothing, isn't it? That's the whole point. And you can always add. You know, I should probably add to this packet. Oh, it's got a pair of tweezers. Very useful. Fishing out, you know when we can go around with knives and all kinds of things trying to get splinters out. If you have a pair of tweezers, it's much better and more sanitised. What I will add to this is gloves. I will probably add some painkillers, Brufen, paracetamol. Please use the instructions and don't go mad. I think the basic thing is, like, if you're an adult, 2 every 4 hours, something like that. And you should always check with someone before taking medication to make sure you can actually take it. You could be on other medication, it might not be right for you. So always check that you can use it. It's basics, isn't it? The other thing you put in here, Dodgerus Ticarus GTN spray. I've had one do. Touch wood, I've been safe since, but it pays to be prepared. It do. If you're taking medication, put your medication in your first aid bag, because if you need medical attention from a professional, they go to here and they find everything. If you've got a list, maybe some prescription notice of what you take, and you put that in there as well with your stuff, or even on your wallet or something that you have on you. At least they know then, if you're not able to talk to them or communicate, they have evidence of what you need and how to give it to you. Okay? And, of course, hand sanitizer. That should be in there at all times. At all times. Not just because there's a pandemic on, but at all times. I think this cost me, there you go. I will try and put a link in the description. But if I believe correctly, I think it was in the measure of, hang on, I've got a receipt here. So, get it right around. £5.99. Free shipping. So £5.99 free shipping, and you're good to go. That's the first aid kit. Next up, okay, in this box. It's my bit again. I've been promising myself one of these for a while now. So there you go. Nice lid there, proper good solid stuff. What's this? Look at that. Isn't that nice? Camel Willy. What do you like with a Camel Willy, don't you? What? Oh. Here's the other bit, the pot itself. So you've got the usual handles on the side, the hook on the top. That's very nice. I do like that. You know, that's very nice. That's gonna turn up in my videos. You know, of camping, because, well, I might say it's the K9 thing we do. Do you think that goes in there? I don't know. The bag's a bit big. Got drawstrings though. Got all the drawstrings. But that's good though, because it comes in there with drawstrings. Now if you look at that, that could take other things in there. You could probably put, you know, your food, and some food, washing gear, other utensils. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Right. That's it. Now, I'm hoping to put some more up soon. Because, you know, it's right, isn't it? It's really like, you know, so, from sunny Lancashire, thank you very much. If you've enjoyed this, please press the like. If you're not subscribed or described, please go the down there, and the bell, of course. We do tells us what's coming up next when it arrives, and such on. Be good to each other. Take care. Stay safe and